friends, it's Shayna and I'm back. And today I have an unboxing for you. I had been on a hiatus and I've gotten a couple things for the holiday, and also I sold my house. So I wanted to treat myself. So if you want to see what I picked up from Saks Fifth Avenue, I suggest that you stay tuned. All right, friends, let's get started. I have been, you all know that on my wish list, I wanted to get a vintage backpack. And I've been primarily looking at Louis Vuitton backpacks. So the Montesaurus, GM, MM, even the PM. When my mom and I went to Hawaii, I even tried some of the backpacks they had there that were, I forget the name, but I think it's the Montesaurus BB, but it was really tiny. And so I've really been trying to get something that was pre-loved because I wanted my budget to be $700 to $800, which is a lot of money. But as you know, to get a Louis Vuitton backpack, it's in the thousands. And so I'm not 100%, I wasn't 100% sure like how often I would use it. I'm not necessarily a backpack girl. Even when I was in high school, if I wore one, it was only on one shoulder. But I've been really thinking, because I moved to Denver and my family is in New Jersey, I've been traveling a lot more. And I thought, how convenient would that be? Even as far as my last trip home, I had too much in my bag. So I went and picked up a little backpack from Target. And it was so convenient and I absolutely loved it. So I've been looking, you know that I've been on Fashion File because I want to try some new things, but in a affordable, price point. And so I'm looking for things pre-loved. However, I also subscribe to Saks Fifth Avenue and Neiman Marcus. And so when they have sales, I've been checking them out. So, and you also know that I've been on a Burberry kick, right? So I was thinking as I was on Fashion File, okay, you said you wanted a Louis Vuitton backpack. It is coated canvas. And so would you consider a canvas backpack in another brand? And so I've been seeing a lot. Burberry's been coming up a lot. You guys know that I got a card holder and another piece as well. And so I took the plunge. Okay, so I'm going to unbox for you what I got from Saks. And and I can't wait to hear what you guys think when you see this. Okay. So as always, the Burberry comes in this nice light lime green dust bag. And I'm so excited for you all to see this. Oh my goodness. Yay. I can't even say this is my first backpack. This is my first luxury backpack. So in the box, I didn't show you, but also there was a shipping summary that came with it in case I need to send it back. Right now, I'm feeling in my spirit that I will not be sending it back. Yes, look at her. This is my first luxury backpack. It is, so it had this little piece on the back to protect the back, and it comes with a little booklet, and it's called the Dewy Backpack, and I've also seen it on Saks. It was called the Vintage Backpack in the check leather trim. And you guys are gonna be, and yes, you see this white leather at the bottom. I'm gonna be neurotic about that. You guys are gonna be so surprised. This is actually, and this is what I wanna share with you. I wanted a small backpack, and this is actually a kid's backpack. So I was just really worried, would it you know, would the straps be long enough? But as you can see, they're adjustable. You got the leather here, and it's adjustable here. So because I love you, like I did nothing. I took nothing off. And so we'll do that together. But it has a front zip compartment, as you see here. And we could put some goodies in there. It also has a little leather on the zip. Let's try to get into it. It has plastic on it still. We'll take that off. We'll take this off. And so you open it up. And what I love so far is that it has the snaps on the side. If I need to make it a little bigger, we have the stuffing in there. And it is pretty amazing. And I feel like it's the size of a small, like kind of fashion backpack, but also a little bigger. And so I am so excited. And why don't we check out the interior of it? I said I want to go through the interior, but first so you can see, I guess this is the opportunity for me to put my name or something back here so it's identifiable. This is a little tag that it comes with it that gives you information about the product. As I said, there was a front pocket compartment that is pretty nice size. I could probably put hand sanding in it and pins and things of that nature. On the inside, there's also little pockets. I don't think they're big enough or deep enough to fit my phone. I'm gonna go with a no on the phone, maybe. But that is okay. So there's a couple, let's see if you can see it. As you can see in the back, you have the Burberry, and it's a leather, I don't know what to say, a stamp in there. So you know that it's Burberry. It also has an interior pocket that is not very deep, but also has more information about the brand. And actually the pocket in here is not very deep at all. I can't put my whole hand in there, but could probably put some little things in there. There's a snap on the side that I probably will leave unsnapped when I'm traveling, and it's a decent sized large compartment. Obviously the Louis Vuitton bags are bigger, and this was definitely made this is part of their kids line, oddly enough. So I'm gonna snap this closed so you could see how it will look on me. So I extended the straps as far as they can go, and not that I needed to, but and I might make them a little tighter, but just so you can see, I could put it on both sides. I have room. It's hanging low, and I will make sure you can get another angle of that, but you can check this out. I travel at the end of the month, end of January, so I can show you what fits and how I used it. So if you like what you heard and what you saw, I ask that you comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you back soon.